Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about way of downloading Primavera Professional P6 software. It is very easy. This is a free software we can directly download from Oracle website. First of all, you have to log on to this website edeliveryoracle.com. You can see the website. I will included to the my comment section also. And first of all, you have to create an account using for this website from create account button. I already create an account, therefore I will using sign in button. Using sign in button, using your password and username, you can sign in to this software, to this website, and it will go into this type of dialog box, and in the top of that you can find the Primavera P6 Professional Management software. There are different versions in this software. It is better to download the latest one. If you want, you can find, you can in this text box also you can type the software name and you can search, and I will click this software, and this automatically added to this cart. You can see that view item, your software already added to that cart. You in this you can click continue. Then it will added to your download list. Then again you have to click continue. Then it appear that Oracle standard term and restriction. We have to click agree this one. In the bottom of the list you can see agreement, and we have to check this checkbox, and we can again click continue. Then they will appear that feedback form. If you want, click the feedback form, otherwise you can close this one, and finally you have to click this download button. Then this automatically download your you can download to your folder, anywhere in your folder. Then you can install the Primavera Professional P6 software. This is very easy step. This is free software. You can download and you can use individually in your computer. And this is all of today. I think you can now download the Oracle updated software from this Oracle website. Okay, thank you. See you next time.